This is general troubleshooting video. I'm going to show you how to check all the connections between your smartboard and between the computers. I'm going to start over with the computer. I've already pulled the computer out, and you can see that the back side of the computer is facing us right now. So I'm going to zoom in really close so that you can get a chance to see what's going on here. First off, if your power is going out, then you can just plug that in right there. But if your computer turns on, then just don't touch that because it's working. Down below here is our video signal, so you can check and make sure that that's plugged all the way in, and if not, you can just unscrew it and pull it out and plug it back right in. Then we've got a sound plug right here. Make sure that it's plugged into the green hole. On the back of computers, the green hole is the one that goes to output. The other two go to microphones and I don't even remember what else, but something. Then there's a couple of USB plugs going in here. One of these is going to go out to the keyboard, one of them is going to go out to the mouse, one will go to a probably the wireless device, which you can see that right up here so that you can get your internet signal. Then there's another two, one that's going to go to the smartboard, and then one that's going to go to the unit that powers the video system for the smartboard. This silver cord right here is the one that powers that. So if you take a look over there, notice the red light just went out. So I'm going to plug this right back in, and then you'll see the red light come back on, and that lets you know that, hey, it's working. If the red light's also not coming on, then you can just press this button right here, and that'll turn it on. What that does is it takes our video signal, which comes from the computer, and goes along, goes all the way up to the input side where it says VGA in on this device. From that, then it splits it, and it goes to the smartboard, and this signal is going to go off to the computer monitor that's sitting all the way up here. Notice nothing's coming through because, well, the monitor's turned on, but the computer's actually asleep. So let me try and wake up the computer. Wake up. There we go. Alright, so the computer's awake, so that's all working. And the yellow cord, of course, goes off to the smartboard, which is turned off at the moment. So, turning on the smartboard, first thing to take a look at is, do I have some kind of light here? Like an orange light is nice because that means that I'm at least receiving power. So I'm going to go ahead and press that button, and that's going to turn it on. And notice that this light turns red. It just means that it's not yet getting the communication signal from the computer. Hopefully in a little bit it's going to turn green as the system starts up. If we ever get to the point that it doesn't turn green, then there's a very simple trick that you can fix on the back of this thing. There's a plug all the way down under here. Let me see if I can zoom in. You see this little piece? All you got to do is just kind of touch that with your finger, wiggle it around a little bit, and it should be able to turn the thing green. So if you ever have this problem where this light right here is turning red because, you know, the smartboard's not responding, then it means that you just need to touch that right back there. A lot of times that'll just solve that problem. I'll go through the